Right, put in reverse. Go back a little bit. Stop. Come forward. Alright, stop. Alright. Call here from EMD Automotive. We had this Audi here that told in there's no drive when you put in D or reverse. There's no drive whatsoever. Even if you put it in reverse and rev the engine up, or put it in drive and rev the engine up, the car will never move forward or move backwards. So finally sorted that valve body up. Sorted the valve body, so took it out, rebuild it and put it back in. Pretty much down there. See that plug there? That's the valve body. This one here is a dry clutch. So everything is already inside there. You don't need to actually fill up the like a normal DSG gearbox. The wet clutch is a bit different. Okay, but so the car is, everything's working now, but I've just got to do some basic setting and some few runs first before I give it back to the customer. But I need to show you what I found. Look how dirty the actual cooling system is. Really, really dirty. I might have to actually give the customer a call before I put the coolant in. Might as well put some radiator flush, cooling system flush into here and flush it all out before I put the new coolant. Otherwise it's just going to be even worse than before. Yeah, but in the meantime the car is actually working, problem's fixed, and then we'll contact the customer and we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.